पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll see page 303, 16th mantra we will chant. Page 303 we will chant 16th mantra. अथो अयं वा आत्मा सर्वेषां भूतानां लोकः स यज्जुहोति यद् यजते तेन देवानां लोकः अथ यद् अनुब्रूते तेन ऋषीणाम् अथ यत् पितृभ्यः निप्रणाति यत् प्रजामिच्छते तेन पितॄणाम् अथ यन्मनुष्यान् वासयते यद्यदेभ्यः अशनं ददाति तेन मनुष्याणाम् अथ यत्पशुभ्यः तृणोदकं विन्दति तेन पशूनां यदस्य गृहेषु श्वापदाः वयांसि आपिपीलिकाभ्यः उपजीवन्ति तेन तेषां लोकः यथा वै स्वायलोकाय अरिष्टिम् इच्छेत् एवं हैवं विदे सर्वाणि भूतानि अरिष्टिम् इच्छन्ति तद्वा एतद् विदितं मीमांसितम् We were seeing the topic of Avidya Sutram, and in that topic we were seeing the condition of Agya Pashu Jiva, who was like the Pashu Devanam. And we had seen 15th mantra, which Brahman is going on, 4th Brahman. 4th Brahman is there. I think 2 more Brahman are there in this first chapter. And this whole first chapter is on Adhyarop. You remember that? Sadhya Sadhana Adhyarop and Avyakrit Prapancha Adhyarop. Don't forget the main point. And this is called Madhu Kandam. Madhu Kandam, first chapter, and fourth Brahman is going on. Okay? And we saw that the Virat, from Virat, the Agni had come, then Dev Varna had come, then Manush Varna had come. Now it is saying, if anybody is having Karta, so immediately rules of the Karta will run to catch him. Moment you become Karta, the rules of the Karta, that is called Kartavya. In Shastri, what is it called? Varna Ashram Dharma. Moment you want to be a driver. So it's not that you can sit in the car and start driving. There are hundreds of rules of driving will catch you. So you will have to have driving license. For that you have to renew it. You should know where is what. Okay. So moment you become Karta, you are under the influence of Devas or the influence of Sadhya Sadhan Sambandh. Because as a Karta, I am not going to keep quiet. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishthatya karmakrit. So Karta will not keep quiet. No, Karta can't do anything. So there are various kinds of injunctions. In other words, why rules are for the Karta? Why you should do, you should not do? Because you are Bhokta. It's not that you are only Karta. Moment you want to enjoy, you have to tell, you have to pay for your enjoyment. You have to pay for your enjoyment. You can't just enjoy and run away. If you are going in a hotel and you are enjoying something, you have to have the bill also you have to pay. Sannyasi has been exempted from Shraddha, Pitra Puja. Why? Because he is not enjoying children. He is not enjoying family life, he is not enjoying children, he is not enjoying money. Therefore he has been exempted from many duties now. Moment you want to enjoy, somebody wrote to Gurudev, I want to come to the ashram. Following conditions. Room should have heater. Room should have this kind of bed. Room should have this kind of table chair. Room should have this, many conditions. So Gurudev said, I am giving you the address of 5-star hotel. If you want to enjoy so much of luxury, so better go to one boy should be there with me to attend. One bell should be there to call anybody. People think like that. Ashram is a simple place. Why? Seekers come here. They need a bare minimum thing and they do sadhana. If you want to enjoy so many things, better stay that, our ashram near our hotel is there. What is that? Renaissance. You can stay there. There is also 5-star hotel. So you can stay there and pay good amount and you can. I want nice family life, nice job, Varna ashram. You are taking seva from your son, so as a son also you have to serve now. Okay, you are taking seva from your wife, you have to serve wife's parents also now. Not 10 things are there. So here Agyaha is mentioned as a Pashuhu Devanam. Pashu has 2 meanings. देखो Pashu word in Sanskrit has a typical meaning. Pashyati iti Pashu. The etymological meaning of Pashu is the one who sees and does, doesn't think. Pashu means one whose perceptional knowledge is final. You give to the dog something, it will eat, it won't think. So in South Africa sometimes burglars come, robbers. So dogs are there. So they give something to the dog to eat which is poisoned. Sometimes they die, sometimes they faint. So pashyati iti pashu. So who does not have, they does not use Shastra Pramana, whose Pramana of application is very weak. He doesn't use the proof of scriptures, proof of Guru, proof of God. He doesn't see the world from other bigger eyes. He sees from his very small myopic eyes. So this is one meaning. Second meaning is one who has to serve. Who has to serve. So, Agya Pashu. And now whom he will serve? He has to serve many. Not that he only serves one person. And he should perform all the Vedic karma. And through that, why he has to perform? Because he is constantly taking. He is constantly taking. If I am taking, you have to give. If you are taking from father, you have to give as a son. If you are taking from country, you have to give as a tax. If you are taking from office, you have to give work to the office. You can't take money from the office and not do any work there. And if you are taking from wife, you have to serve the wife also. If you are taking from the husband, you have to serve the husband also. If you are taking from the servant, you have to give something to the servant also. If you are taking from the dog cat, you have to give something to the dog cat also. Okay, if you are taking from the house, you have to take care of the house also. If you are using any stadium, etc., you have to pay for the stadium also. If you are using the golf court, you have to pay the fees for the golf court also. Anywhere, moment you start enjoying, you are under the obligation of giving something. So he has to serve. So, how can I get off this service? You can get only when you realize you are not doer. Now he is now telling what he has to do. If he has the, now please see page 303. Atho ayam va atma. So here atma word does not reverse to Brahma etc. Atma here means agyaha grahastha, ignorant grahast. Agyaha grahastha. See the second page, 304. Ayam yaha prakritah grahi karmadhikritah avidwan sharirendriya sanghatadi visishtah pinda atma iti uchyate. I'm just showing you. You saw next page, 304, first paragraph. Atho ityayam vakya upanyasartha. So, ayam yaha prakritah grahi karmadhikritah avidwan sharirendriya sanghat adi. Underline that. Avidwan. Avidwan means who doesn't know the self. Sharir indriya sanghat adi vishishtah pindah atma iti uchyate. One who is identified with this body, mind, intellect, etc. अच्छा. अब क्या हुआ? Now come back to page 303. So, atra avidwan. Who is avidwan? See the word varna ashram adi abhimanaha. So he has the abhimana, I am Brahman, Kshatriya, etc. अच्छा, हाँ. Then what happened? Then कोई ruler आएगा इसके ऊपर. Moment you want, you have to be ruled now. Who will rule me? Who will rule? And in the house there is a rule. In the road there is a rule. If you want to fly, there is a rule. If you have to eat, there is a rule. Everywhere rule आ गया. क्यों? Because you become karta, rule has to be there. If you are taking medicine, there is a rule. If you want to play football, there is a rule. Not that you hit ball anywhere. If you play cricket, there is a rule. If you are school, there is a rule. Everywhere. Who is the rule here? Dharmena niyamyamana. So dharma is the ruler now. aa gayi. And it is written here, Devadi karma kartavyataya pashuvat paratantra ityuktam. I already said this is dependent. Who? अरे ये बेचारा जीव काम के बोझ का मारा. This बेचारा जीव. So अच्छा, he is having lot of kartavya, lot of kartavyas there, lot of duties are there. Kartavya means what? Akarne बोलो pratyavaya. If you don't do that, there will be dosh coming to you. Sin of not doing, that is called nitya karma. I am not going into detail, but if you don't do it, in other words, you will lose your rights. Okay. What are those duties which he has to do? Can you give me some list? Can you consolidate all work which I do in a proper listed form, which I do haphazardly every day? Yes, I am giving you a more systematic list. So what is the list given? So interested Upanishads are there, and some people say it's not interesting. I find it so beautiful. How can you say it is not interesting? So interesting is there. Atho ayam va atma. Again, atma here is for agya grahastha. Reference is not of Purnatma. Sarvesham bhutanam lokah. Here lokah means bhogya. Please write somewhere, indicate it. Bhogya, enjoyed. This jeev is being enjoyed by somebody. Lokah, bhogya. After that, full stop. Acha, sabka bhogya hi hai. Everybody is getting something. Everybody is getting something. Everybody, yes. One person has to give to many people. Whom he has to give? Let us see. Sa, uske baad, sa yajjuhoti yad yajate ten devanam lokah. What havan ityadi he does? Yajjoti and yad yajate, what puja he does. By that, devanam, that is the loka, that is the enjoyment of devatas. Devatas are enjoying that. Why shall I give to devatas? Because you are taking from the devata. Devatas are sitting in your sense organ. All 11 sense organ has devatas. And one devata is weak, that part will be a problematic part. If sun is weak, your problem will be in the eyes. Acha? They are full of devata. Prajanane Brahma tishtatu, Padayor Vishnus tishtatu, Hastayor Haras tishtatu, Bhavarindras tishtatu, Jathare Agnis tishtatu, Hriday Shivas tishtatu, Kanthe Vasavas tishtantu, Vaktaris Saraswati tishtatu, Nasikayor Vayus tishtatu, Nayanayos Chandradityo tishtetam, Karunarishno tishtetam, Nalati Rudras tishtantu, Murdhadityas tishtantu, Shirasi Mahadevas tishtatu, Shikhayam Vamadevas tishtatu. All around devatas are there. And this is called nyas. So when you do puja, first you do nyas, establish devatas. Why? They are sleeping. Why they are sleeping? Because I don't do good work, therefore they left. So I am calling back. Please come back. Although Saraswati ji, come back. Why? Although I said bad words, but still I want you back. All around devatas, all around devatas. There is in Bhagavad, there is one kavach called Narayan Kavach. Okay. Which canto? Fifth. Sixth canto. Sixth canto, there is Narayan Kavach is there. In Narayan Kavach, if anybody has bad dreams, etc., so one should, or fear is there, nightmares are there, or they say bhoot pret, so they should full of nyas, anganyas, karanyas, all nyas. They are establishing that. Hello, please be with me. Please come back. Otherwise you see a beggar, लगता है कोई देवता ही नहीं इसके पास है, सब देवता चले गए छोड़ के, ना देवता के हम नहीं रहेंगे यहाँ पे. As you don't live in an unclean room, some room is there, and it is full of dust, cockroaches, dirt, stink, so you will go out of the room. Similarly, when devatas see that karma is not good, mind is not good, बोले हटते यहाँ से नहीं बैठेंगे हम. So these devatas are getting the loka. I am repeating it. Loka means bhogya. Full stop. Atha yad anubrute. Now anubrute means he is doing Vedadhyanam. Vedadhyanam anubrute. Swadhyayam adhite ahar ahar. Anubrute means he is doing some adhyan. Adhyan means two adhyan, chanting and or self-study. Swadhyaya, anubrute. Chanting and reading also. Pat, in Sanskrit there is a pat dhatu. Pat. You all know the pat means to read. The pat means to chant also. And pat means to read also. Patadi padda padante. So patadi means he is simply reading a book. But he is chanting also. In both the sense this pat dhatu is used. So here anubrute, what he is chanting, then what is happening? Ten rishinam. You have to add word loka everywhere. After rishinam, sentence is over because ath is coming. Bole, why did not they put full stop? All work I have to do. So the rishinam loka, you add loka. This is Sanskrit language. I told you punctuations are less used in Sanskrit language because this was transferred by words. So pause was given. That pause itself indicated that full stop is there. So comma, exclamation, question mark, all these things are English language. In Sanskrit they won't have a question mark. So by the very tone you have to find it out. Bhavan, kutra gacchati? Where are you going? That still means question mark ho gaya. Aho! Ab exclamation is there. Ho! Exclamation is there. Because it was transferred from words to ears. Therefore very less, only viram and purni viram is there. Rest I don't see. But you can put your own one. So yad anubrute ten rishinam loka. अब ऋषि को तो देना है कुछ, विष्णु सहस्त्र नाम यू चैंट एवरी डे. फिर क्या करें? अथ यद पितृभ्य निप्रणाति. This pitrabhya is all which case? Fourth case. Dative. So nipranati. Nipranati means offers. To pitars he offers. Prayachati. Pindodakadi. He is offering something to the pitar also. Pitar. The ancestors are there. So yat prajam ichhate ten pitrunam lokah. And he desires the son. So these pitars are quite worried that in the family son should be there, so that he can get some pindadan, etc. Pitars are there, so they want that you should have son, so that after you pass away, they are not concerned about your passing away. After you pass away, their pindadan should continue. Their pindadan is there. You offer tarpan, etc. That should continue. Ab hai bhai, bole, why are they wanting, why are they expecting from me? No, because to make your family they did a lot. And don't think these are hearsays. In one marriage, when I knew, so marriage went, they didn't invite the pitar. Pandit forgot to keep a seat for the pitar. Neither he offered pindan. So So on somebody in their family, that person who already passed away many years back, he came and he pointed out, बोले neither you gave to the cow, neither you offered to the pitars. Better you offer it, otherwise I'll create some problem. So problem can be progeny will not be there, or some disease will come, or business will not flourish. So something they will create because they have the power also. So nipranati. So yet prajam ichhate ten pitrunam lokaha, full stop. So they are, that is the loka means bhogya. I am repeating it. Then what happened? देखो कितनी ड्यूटी हो रही बेचारे के पास, किसको किसको देखे वो. यन मनुष्यात वासयते. Somebody came in your house, you have to give accommodation. स्वाध्याय प्रवचनाभ्याम न प्रमदितव्यम. So atithi devo bhava. So some atithi is there, he has come, you can't say go away. So you have to give him some accommodation. Please have the room. But only one room is there. He said, okay, you take the room, I'll sleep in the veranda, or I'll sit in the drawing room, I'll sleep. Drawing room, I'll manage with the drawing room. And you vasyate, so you have a comfortable place. कबीरा इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुम समाए, मैं भी भूखा न रहूं साधु भूखा न जाए. So give me so much so that my family can run. Neither I am hungry, neither any saint is hungry who crosses my door. So this is called Manushya Yajna. Panch Yajnas are there. Then Yadebhyah Ashanam Dadati, or he offers food. Ashanam means food. In Tamil Nadu they will say food. Why they call like that? Food. Huh? Food. You should say food. Supper. So ठीक बोला. So now they will offer the food. भाई गेस्ट आने में कई बात होते हैं. You have to see what you have to serve him at what time. So उससे क्या होता है? तेन मनुष्याणाम लोकः, दैट इज द भोग्य. बोले भाई आपने बड़ी सेवा किया, थैंक यू सो मच, बड़ा अच्छा लगा आपके यहाँ के. ये नहीं कि यू रैन अवे. बोले ही सेड आई एम कमिंग, यू सेड अरे आई एम गोइंग ऑन दैट डे ओनली. आई हैव टू, on that day only I have made my program. I didn't know you were coming, you should have told me earlier. उसका फल ये होगा कि nobody will give you the place when you want. Okay, these topics are very big. I am leaving it here. I am tempted to speak, but I will not. So, atyat pashubhyah, up to the animals also. Trinodakam vindati. You have to give not only trina, water also. You have to give grass and water also to the animals. So earlier it is in the house there was a place kept for birds, etc. And if the house was bigger, there was a place for cows, etc. to drink water. So trinodakam. So you are giving everything. Acha, first roti was for the cow and last was for the dog. Now we are becoming cow dog both. So yat pashubhyah trinodakam vindati ten pashunam lokah. Okay, they are enjoying now. That is a pashu bhog. अब एक आदमी क्या क्या करे देख रहे हो. अच्छा और तो छोड़ो. यदस्य गृहेषु श्वापदाः. Shwapada means like cat, dogs, etc. Shwapadaha. Vayamsi. Vayamsi means birds. And this will connect the will Vayamsi. This gap should not be there. So Vayamsi apipilika abhyah, up till pipilika. Pipilika means ants. Oh my God. I have to give ants to ants also? Yes. If I don't give, they'll bite you somewhere. You don't know from where they will come. You'll be sleeping and you get up and you'll feel all bitten red marks will be there. You just don't know whose rain is remaining. So from some angle they will come and they are very small, but you will keep on itching whole day. I have seen in one room 2 people are sleeping. To one mosquito bites more. There are some people to whom mosquito bites a lot. Not an accident. I read one day one person was there, all crows attack him only. Crows. Where was that? Huh? Since last few years, I think he did something wrong. He killed the crow or something he did. After that, crows are attacking him. The moment he starts walking, crows start flying around him. One person was in Rajasthan, 80 times snakes have bitten him. 80 times, 85. He put himself in a kind of cage kind of thing. Moment he comes out, some snake comes from somewhere. It's a complex world. You don't know. Every pain is corresponding to I have taken something from somebody and not giving back the equivalent thing. Even if you go to temples also, even if you use somebody's matchbox to light the lamp, that also is not considered good because you have taken that from him. You should have brought your own matchbox. Because they are contributors. This ant is also making the ground fertile. Birds are also making some contribution. So I am taking and not giving, and this is not right. Sahayagya prajashishtva purovacha prajapati anena prasavishwadhvam eshvastushtikek ishtakamaduk eshvaha astu ishtakamaduk. Well, everything is there you are taking, and therefore a bichara, a grahast, he is tied by so many things. Birds ko bhi do, pitar ko bhi do, cows ko bhi do, dogs ko bhi do, devtas ko bhi do, chacha mama, all they come, they also should be there. Then havan also you do, then rishinam also you do, then after that, what is it called, anybody, ants also you do, dogs also. He is tied from all sides. And sab log aise haath, they are standing like this. Hamara bhi share, hamara bhi, hamara. Mother-in-law also says, father-in-law also says, brother-in-law also says, husband also says, wife also says, office wale, sab. Dekho. So therefore, Pashu has another meaning, he has to serve all. Only supposing I don't serve, then what will happen? I told you, if you don't serve, you will be deprived. Some disease will come. Well, why disease comes? To take away all your money. One sonography, MRI will take 7, 8, 10,000. Acha? Blood test, X-ray. Here 1 hour you can't do satsang, there you sit for 3-4 hours. Wait and just read all this, what is written. बस के कहाँ जाओगे? यहाँ तो they are being caught in all directions. इतनी चीज है. बोले but I troubled, God will send somebody. ये तो we are bound by so many rinas are there. And therefore last line is written, Tatha vei swaya lokaya arishtim icchet. Here lok means shariram. So all these list which I have given, they want, arishti means freedom from bad health, destruction. Rishti means destruction, arishti means freedom from destruction of health. So for their body, they want thy body should not be destroyed. And therefore, you have to give to them. You have to give to them to maintain their body. Then what will happen? Ha evam vide sarvani bhutani. So all the beings will want your body to be nice. If you are caring for your body, their body, they all want your body should be good. Sarvani bhutani arishtim icchanti. They all want, bhai ye to bahut hi deta hai humko, so he should be healthy. Otherwise, I will not get anything. Like the parts of the body give to the body, so body should also be giving to the parts. If my hand has been very good, I don't want this, nothing should happen to my hand. Nothing should happen to my ears. Why? Because I need them. Nothing should happen to my legs, because I have to walk every day. Nothing should happen to my stomach. Nothing should happen to my body. I should not catch fever, etc. Why? I have to attend classes, I have to hear everything. Yagna is there after that. You can't afford. No, if you can't afford to have fever. You can have feverish activity, but you should not catch fever. Therefore, तुमको ठीक रहो तुम. अच्छा, one small principle is there. I had told while talking about Virat also. Because we all are connected, you cannot get unless you give. This is one rule, that one cannot get. Supposing I want love, I have to give love to get love. I have to give respect to get respect. I have to give money, daan, to get money. You know, I was in Singapore. One person came, he said, I want to see you. So I said, yes. So he said, wherever I go, whatever house I go, hardly in 5-10 months, I am asked to leave the house. I rent. I said, how many times? He said, 20-30 times it happened. Any house I go, typical cases are there. So I said, can you be honest with me? He said, yes. I said, tell me, did it happen sometimes that somebody came to live in your house and you insulted and asked him to go? He said, yes. I not only asked him to go, but I threw him out. Elderly person. Now whatever, I didn't go into the details, who was there, what was there. Why to bring out anybody's such points. Dekha, people just tell the effect, they don't tell the cause. They don't tell what they did to get this situation, but they tell that this is a cosmic family. You have to give a lot to get a lot. Rather, what I feel, anybody who is getting, and I told you, we don't give object, we give a thought. When I give food to anybody, I am not giving a food. Actually, I am giving a thought in the vehicle of food. So I am giving a thought. आप खुश रहिए. Actually, the thought is that may you be happy. May you be happy. When you say, no, please take more, actually it is not that you are asking. You are asking, may you be happy by taking more. Whether to the animal, whether to the pitar, whether to the human being. Only two thoughts we give to the world. Either you be happy or you not be happy. You are a strong thought giver. We give lot of thoughts. Even when you give something to a beggar or to a father, mother, a person who has created a big reservoir, big reservoir of thought of happiness, which has gone into the Hiranyagarbha, I had explained one day. Now when those thoughts get matured, same amount of thoughts, the whole Hiranyagarbha will search a certain situation to give back to you through some person, through some incident, because everything comes back to the doer. And because this doer has done, therefore it will all come back. Gita has said, Parasparam bhavayantah shreya paramavapsyata. Bole, therefore you have to give. If you don't give it, I went to somebody's house. I have gone, so I saw one old person was there. So they had a, separated house. So the husband wife must be 45 or so, and the old person must be 85. I was here, it was there. So that old person had wife and she was cooking the food. And this old person was taking his plate with the shivering plate. I said, he was the father. When he was taking plate, I said, so we have separated and this is our family, it is my father. I don't want to interfere because a lot of problems we had. I said, whatever problems are there, on these basic issues, at least help them out. Don't bring those issues, at least you should not. No, leave it. क्या बोले हम? I had to go for 20 minutes, half an hour. I felt very bad. जो भी हो पितृण होगा. You won't believe. I went to the house for Bhiksha after 20 years. 20 years. Same house. That father had passed away. Father and mother had passed away. You know what happened? This, now he was shivering and taking his plate. I was so surprised. Therefore, this get confirmed every day. Then I said, let me take. No, you will not touch. I have asked you for eating, you cannot serve me. So they are giving me the food. They didn't call anybody. They gave me the food, but that food was in such a painful state they were giving. No, you won't help me, neither you will take the plate. You just keep the plate here. I cannot allow you to touch. How everything came back in my mind. ये बड़ा अजीब सा सिस्टम है ये. Therefore I always say, please don't take risk. There is a great saint called Karpatriji Maharaj. Very great saint of Varanasi. Somebody said we should do Shraddha or not, Swamiji, because something is not clear. So he said, there was one person. He was going to jungle. So somebody said, take some stick, gun, take food, because in jungle you don't get food. And take some clothes and take some sack so that you can sleep and put some mattress. Take some bed sheet, etc. Food, some stick or gun to threaten the animal, and some mat to sleep. As he went ahead, another person came. He said, where are you going? Jungle. He said, so what are all these things? Well, there is a food is there for a few days, this mat is there to sleep, bed sheet is there, and a gun is there. He said, no, there are no animals. There are no animals, and you will get a place to sleep also. And you will get something to eat also. Now this person should follow the first person or second person. This person should follow the first one or second one? Huh? Second one. Second one, at the most he will lose, it will be all be wasted at the most. At the most item will be wasted. In first case, life will go away. He used to give example. I like this example. So he said, when it is said, do Shraddha, do Havan every day, or once in a month you do, or Atithi Puja you do, and bhai thoda sa karna hai, karo usko, finish it. Why make a big issue out of it? If you don't do it, bigger fruit will come unnecessarily. Why to invite something like that? Therefore 5 yagnas are mentioned. Brahma yagya, Dev yagya, Rishi yagya, Manush yagya, Pitru yagya, Bhut yagya. Because these are the places which we are taking. Karna was there. Karna, very talented. His talent was not lesser than Arjun's, I will say. Very brilliant. But society did not support him. Society was always anti. Anywhere he went, he was insulted. Unwanted, undue insult he got, which he did not deserve. Why? Gurus did not accept him. Manush yagya and Rishi yagya he had not done. Manush yagya and Rishi, no teacher accepted him. कोई एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है. So from your current situations, you can find it out what yajna I did not do sufficiently. On the other hand, Arjun was so much loved. See the contrast. Sakhe bhai dono, both are brothers. Both are real brothers. Dronachar was so fond of Arjun, he didn't teach certain things to his son also, so that he didn't become a competitor. He had softer corner for Arjun than Ashwatthama. He was so loved by Pitama Bhishma that in his bedroom nobody else was allowed other than Arjun. Krupachar was his very favorite. So some people are like the apple of all eyes. लोग कहते हैं पता नहीं इसमें क्या है, पागल की तरह इसको प्यार करते हैं लोग. Everybody was mad after Arjun. And because of Arjun, Dronachar did not hesitate to ask the thumb of Eklavya also. ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया. अब don't ask why he did, ask him. Don't. People ask such question to him as if I asked him. Well, Swamiji, I have a question. Why did Dronachar took the thumb of Eklavya? हमारा कोई गलती नहीं, हमने नहीं पढ़ा. गुस्सा वहाँ हमको आप पकड़ रहे हैं. Was it wrong or right? No, definitely it was wrong. But I am saying he went to little cruelty also. पाप उनको पड़ा अर्जुन की वजह से. क्या था अर्जुन में? We think what we did together. देखो, getting talent is one thing. Opportunity to express talent is another thing. There are many talented people who don't get opportunity. Whether it is field of music, dance, acting, cricket, education, And some are less talented, they get unnecessary lot of which opportunity. You wonder this person doesn't have that much of talent, बड़ा उसको मौका मिल रहा है यार. ऐसे nothing is like that. अब देखो this Baba Amte's son is there, Prakash Amte. He, I think close by somewhere in Pune or somewhere. He has all the animals. What is that place? I don't know. There, I mean, not that domestic animals are there. Leopards, lion, tiger, snake. He plays with all. He did so much of Bhoot Yajna that all animals are conducive to him. Others should not try. Nothing is, we feel things are happening arbitrarily. ऐसा नहीं है. Somebody met an accident. We met an accident at a very odd hour. 1 o'clock in the morning. 5 hours he was lying down. क्या हो गया? बोले इन्होंने मानुष यज्ञ नहीं किया था. Somebody met, 100 people came. So there is a big set of punya pap force which are acting in us. But this mantra is to tell how this person is Pashu. Pashu, don't think it negatively. Pashu means, number one, he has to do certain things and he has to serve. He cannot be free from service. I hope this point is clear.